This is going to be kind of comical, putting the stretch belt on the engine. This is typically a pain in the ass. Okay, 18mm socket, big long ass half-inch drive breaker bar, ratchet, whatever you will, pair of pliers. Some of the stretch belts have holes in the flywheel, so you can take a zip tie. I'm recording this right now, but I'm going to try to put this on by myself. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. So. It's like a fucking circus doing this. I've had them come off and hit me in the face. I hate this. Is my least favorite part about this. I fucking hate this, but it's on. I had to use a pair of pliers to start it down here on the pulley, and as I started to rotate it, come back up here and push it back on this water pump, and then do it some more, then push it on some more, then do it some more while holding a pair of pliers, cranking this at the same time, and then intermittently pushing it further and further on this smooth pulley. It is a pain in the ass. And this is on an engine stand. Doing it in the air with stuff fighting you, it's a little harder, but what the hell, man. Ford, what a terrible idea. That's how to do it, guys.